Okay, now that we've talked about why WordPress, let's take just a couple minutes to talk about web hosting, because you need a place to put your website. Hosting just means the server where your website lives, just like your computer is where you keep your documents and your email and so forth. So the server is just another computer somewhere else that hosts websites and has obviously the administration and control panels so that you can log in to your website and work on it. But just think of it as another computer in another location that you can log into from your browser. But before you can create a website, you have to have a web host and you have to buy a domain name. So what you do is there's many websites, very affordable, that you can use for WordPress hosting. Many specialize right now in WordPress, or at least feature WordPress as one of their special options. In our bonus section of resources, you'll see I'm going to provide a list of hosting services with a few notes on those. But just to get us started, a couple that you might consider using are GoDaddy has a service. They also obviously sell domain names. HostGator is another very affordable option that has a WordPress package for just $5 a month for website WordPress hosting. There are some that are a little bit more focused on quality, let's say, a little bit more money, but better support, and in some cases better quality as far as speed. One of those is Media Temple. And then there are some, if you're going to do a lot of WordPress down the road, that are now starting to specialize in just WordPress, and one of those is called WP Engine. But again, go ahead and check out our resources section and you'll see a download PDF that I'm going to provide that talks about hosting options. So what you do is basically go to one of those services, click on the WordPress packages, and if you're just doing one website in the beginning, I assume, just click on their one website option. Fill in some information. Obviously, they're going to want your credit card so that you can get started with your website. And that's it. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to their cPanel or their admin panel, as you're going to see in a minute. When I use Media Temple, they have their own admin panel. And you can start installing WordPress, which we're going to talk about next. You're ready to get started.